So this video is about the amazing service that DJI give you. Now, back in June, just checking the dates there. Yeah, back, unfortunately, I'm a superstitious person. Anyway, on June the 13th, which just happened to be a Friday, I crashed my Mini 4 Pro. My own fault. I was making a tutorial video about flying your drone through small places. I'm on about a tunnel. So what I'd done, I turned off the avoidance. Not doing that again. Anyway, it went into a wall, and I can show you some stuff there, some pictures of it. What had happened, my front arm on the DJI drone had snapped, well, broken. A part on the side had fallen off. And that's what I thought it was. And I give it to my friend in June 22nd, Steve, bit of a tech whiz. He managed to get the arm. I got a small part sent to me from Ireland, believe it or not, to fix the drone arm, which was fine. That worked great. But then we noticed that the on and off button somehow it pushed itself into the circuit board. And he said there's no way he could do that because obviously the soldering is going to have to be very fine. So then I just left it. And then I think, what date are we talking now? Okay, on the 26th of October, because obviously the Mini 5 Pro has already been out, and I so wanted to do a comparison between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro. So I thought, okay. So I went online on a Sunday, got into the chat, got chatting, and in the end, they sent me like a work report thing, fill out. I sent them some photographs of what I could see, what the damage was. They then sent me also a ticket, a DHL ticket. So today's the 27th of October. At long last, I've decided now to send away my drone. That's my DJI Mini 4 Pro. They sent me this label. I haven't paid nothing yet, but no doubt once they receive the drone and have a look at it, they're going to tell me what it's going to cost me. So I dropped off the package on the 27th, which is on the Monday. DHL picked it up. I got a receipt. And the other good thing about all this, I got plenty of communication between me and DJI. Either it be a phone call or it be an email to say it's on. Anyway, so on Monday it went up to France, to their main, I don't know, sorting area. And then by Wednesday, which I got on there on the 30th, got a phone call. Now, obviously because I live in Spain, the first phone call, because they thought I was Spanish, I didn't know what the phone call was about, so I put that phone down. But they did phone me again, and then we got on to what needs fixing, and it went a lot, really. I think the main part that I needed fixing really was the on and off switch, and obviously they were going to replace the bit that was missing off the drone, and all they could see, they were the main problems. And the whole bill, I think the main part of the bill was obviously the repair cost, which was €50, but the whole bill come to, with the added tax, obviously, €88.50, which I thought was pretty good. So anyway, they put it in the post, and yesterday, which was the 3rd, even though they said to me it would come on the 4th, which would have been today, it come yesterday, so it took a whole week of cycle, you know, from that previous Monday to Monday, back in my lap. And funny enough, here it is. Obviously, don't forget, all that's in there, guys, is my Mini 4 Pro. So, I got this. This is the C1 sticker kit. So I got that. Obviously, we've got the packaging. But what they have done, they've sent me a new drone. They sent me a new Mini 4 Pro. Now, when I first saw this, I thought, oh no, I don't want another controller. But hey, I'm not complaining if he had. So for €88.50, I got a replacement. which I thought was not bad, because I've had this drone for 2 years. Yeah, nearly 2 years, so I thought it's a good thing. And also, they've given me a prop protector, which I already got, but I didn't obviously send mine with it. Obviously, I didn't get the battery because I didn't send it with a battery. So they give me a new drone, and I did think, oh, maybe they just cleaned it up. But I did check, because here, this part here, you've got your serial numbers, and when I looked on the old one and this one, they're completely different. Now, what he did say to me, I'm going to have to re-register it, which is fine. So, is it going to go straight in? Because it's always a learning curve, isn't it, when you get a drone? So I'm just going to remove the cap there. I've already got batteries already charged up. Okay. Let's put that in there. Is use my RC controller, RC2 controller, I should say. So I am going to go out later and give it a good old test fly. I do love the Mini 4 Pro. It's always been a fantastic drone anyway, and it was such a shame that I crashed it. Pilot error, as they say. So I'm just going through the palaver. So first thing I need to do is connect the aircraft. So there it is. I have to activate the DJI device. So I thought that would be coming. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to take my Mini 4 Pro and yeah, see if anything's changed on it. Because I haven't flown the Mini 4 Pro since June. That's quite a while, isn't it? So I'm quite excited, really. So I'll catch you in a mo. I'm at my favourite location, Mini 4 Pro, RC2 controller, first flight in 4 months. This is what happens. Let's do takeoff. Okay, put the focus on there. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a spotlight check. Got it on normal mode. I'm just putting it up a little bit. Okay. That's doing well. Right, just gonna go the other way. Just going around the back of me there. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do something I've been doing on with the Mini 5 Pro, and that's changing it over to cinematic. Now on the Mini 5 Pro, for some reason it's just going bombing round, but I think I know on the Mini 4 Pro there's not a problem with that, so it's going around a lot slower. So I'm going to put that into my comparison with the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro, but not today. Just wanted to take a note of that. Okay, so we're going to come out of that. And we're going to bring the drone back to me. So I'll do a return to home. But as I get near me, I'll do something else that has always been with me, with the Mini 4 Pro. It's the rocket. I'll tell you more about this when we get into it. So it's just coming down. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's bring up that gimbal. Okay, I'm just gonna set the drone up a little bit. Draw the box. We'll change the 80 feet to 160. That's good. Okay, off it goes. Right, with the rocket, if you didn't know, I've been doing so many tests with the rocket on the Mini 4 Pro. It does the mode fantastic. Does what it's supposed to do. It goes up and it's looking down on you. But it's when it's finished. Now, some people are getting this, like me, and other people are not. And I'm just wondering, because I've got a different drone, am I still getting that problem? Because what's going to happen in any second, the gimbal's going to go up in the air. And here it goes. But it only seems to do it on the rocket for some reason. I mean, it's no big deal. See, DJI, don't hang about, do they? They want me to do the care refresh, but not today, thank you. Because if you watch my videos, I don't do that. Anyway, are we ready? We're just going to go off. Okay, just going off on track there. Still a bit of wind. Nothing that the Mini 4 can't cope with. Okay, I'm just going to bring that up a little bit. And we'll just bring it over that way. I'm not going to send it out too far. Alright, we'll just keep going. Okay, that's enough. Right, I'm going to bring it back to me. Return to home. Right. So, happy with that? So, as always, as you can see, there's going to be loads more videos, especially with the Mini 4 Pro and obviously the Mini 5 Pro. This could be another video coming right sooner.